Thanks for tuning in again to the Elite Leisure Traveller, and today we're checking out the new Marriott hotel to hit the Kuala Lumpur scene, the Moxy Hotel in Chinatown. The Moxy brand itself is very similar in my opinion to the Loft hotels and prides itself on being stylish and playful. And they've certainly hit that remit on the hotel lobby, where they've got a few arcade games, a little bit of table football and some nice chill out areas. When I do compare this brand to the Loft Hotel in KL Central, I would prefer the Moxy. Maybe that's because it's new, or maybe it's because of the area. The area itself is very close to Chinatown and also close to Merdeka Square. The room itself is very compact, however they have managed to incorporate a lot of modern features and maximise the space that they've got. If you are still watching this, please do take a second to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate everybody who does this, and it gives me the motivation to continue with these videos. This was the executive room category, however it is my understanding that the deluxe room just offers a different view. There were a couple of welcome amenities, including a veggie wrap and a cranberry juice. The hotel itself is classed as Chinatown. It's around about 5 to 10 minutes walk to Petaling Street. However, we did come back to the Moxy bar. Our stay itself was on a Friday evening and it was very quiet. However, it has just opened, so I am expecting things to change over the next couple of months. The view from the room was over KL's skyline, including the new Merdeka 118 building. I have a short session at the gym. It is very basic, there's not much equipment around, but it does offer an opportunity to work out. The breakfast itself was very pleasant and offered a wide range of cold and hot food. Again, this area was very funky and modern and also offered a numerous amount of board games to play. The hotel itself does offer a number of conference rooms available, from small rooms fitting 10 people to over 100 people. We actually really enjoyed our time lounging at the pool the next day, and it was a nice area. It is quite small, however there were not many people around, so it was nice and quiet to enjoy and relax. I also highly recommend the pizzas and of course their margaritas. Overall, this is a very affordable option in the KL city. If you don't want to spend too long in the hotel, it's great for exploring the local areas and seeing the main KL tourist sites. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.